Benvenuto alla nostra cucina. Oggi noi staremo rendendo caprese su un bastone e pasta al forno.
Ciao, io sono Marisa.
Ciao, io sono Genoveffa.
Ciao, io sono Giulia.
Ciao, io sono Anna.
Pasta.
Lean beef. Cheese. Primo, pre-riscaldare il forno a 350 gradi.
Alright, secondo, fai salsa. Bam!
Trezzo, cucinare la carne.
Bollita la pasta. Poi scolare la pasta. Prossimo, aggiungere la salsa al pasta. Aggiungere le carne.
Aggiungere formaggio. Mescolare.
Aggiungere la salsa.
Poi copiare un foglio. Uno foglio. Prossimo, cucinare per 30 minuti.
Should I open the oven?
Okay, I'm gonna watch you put them there. Wow, see, it's not that bad.
Finito! Woo! Pomodorini.
Okay, that's
Pallini di mozzarella.
okay.
Balls.
Very nice.
Spiedini di bamboo.
Okay.
Folle di bascul.
Sale e pepe.
Primo prendere fiori e bastoni di bambù. Secondo, pomodoro e mozzarella posto sullo spendio. Place tomato mozzarella. So there you go. And basilico fresco.
Trezzo piovingere questi bastoni con olio extravergine e condore con sale e pepe.
Pepe.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on.
Okay. I don't know what these words. Time out.
You reading them all?
I'm so confused.
I just said that.
Wait. I'm so mad at this. So just tell me what to say.
It's like, stop.
Oh, I don't want to go.
I'll go.
Alright. Muscle.
Die.
Okay, where am I?
Where is Maris?
How do you say dove? Is that where?
Dove Marissa.
Dove Maris.
I am Marissa. Or maybe the Ikiyama Marissa.
I am Marissa. Like,
Like have a
Like come out of them. Come out of them.
wait, I don't even know how to say it. Okay. Folle di basilico fresco.
Is it video time right now?
Yep.
Oh wow.
Oh hey.
Miss Mascotti's the best.
I need to get my pants.
6. Right there.
New train.
Oh, the video is still rolling?
What's that song?
And she was like, ah ha ha ha. I was like, okay. Can you play this?
Alright.
That was really smart.
Okay.
I'm not so sure if we had the whole package. Probably half.
Probably be adding.
That was a meal.
I think Marissa's here.
Yeah. Never started.
Oh, it's starting.
I'm gonna say.
Okay.
VIP heard the nightlife, lost life without me. Both feds in the state wanna see about me. The whole city got pissed, heard he got.
Oh my god.
Like the train.
All the lane arms?
And then what are we doing?
Ciao.
What do we say?
Oh, it's the Japanese side.
We should say ciao and then we should all rise down.
Oh, yeah.
Like slow motion.
Ciao.
Wait, are we all on the train?
Yeah. Okay, are you all saying ciao?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ciao.
Where's the right over here?
I was thinking.